Samsung says their new Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55 phones, which are coming soon, will be easier to fix than the older models. This means they'll be more simple to repair if something goes wrong. In certain places, Samsung shares official repair scores for their Galaxy phones. Recently, they released repair scores for the Galaxy A55 and A35 in France, even though these phones are not yet available for purchase. Due to some design improvements and enhanced support, the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55 have slightly better repairability scores compared to the models released in 2023. Based on the grades provided by Samsung, the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 achieved scores of 8.5 and 8.4 points out of 10, respectively. In comparison, the Galaxy A54 and A34 scored 8.4 and 8.3 points, respectively. According to the documents, the Galaxy A55 achieves a higher repairability score for the following reasons. 1. It requires fewer or less complex tools for disassembly. 2. Parts are easier to detach from the device. 3. Replacement parts will be available for a longer period to comply with European regulations. Interestingly, although the Galaxy A35 isn't as easy to disassemble as the Galaxy A34, it scores higher in other categories. As a result, the upcoming Galaxy A35 has a higher overall repairability score than its predecessor. Samsung has not yet disclosed its release plans for the Galaxy A35 and A55. However, considering that we're nearing the one-year anniversary of the Galaxy A34 and A54 on March 14, it's likely that the 2024 models will be released soon. Samsung has improved the Galaxy S24 flagship models in a similar manner, focusing on ease of disassembly and part availability as key factors. We've seen some pictures of these phones before, but now we have clearer images showing all the different colors they'll come in. The Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55 phone designs were revealed by a well-known leaker named Evan Blass. The Galaxy A35 has a new Infinity O-screen design, which means it has a small hole for the front camera instead of a notch. This is different from the older Galaxy A34, which had a U-shaped notch at the top of the screen. The Galaxy A55 is also getting an upgrade with a metal frame, which makes it stronger and more high quality. This is the first time a Galaxy S series phone has had a metal frame. Both phones, the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55, follow Samsung's new design style called Key Island. They are available in 4 colors: black, green, pink, and white. The picture suggests they might have an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance and knocks for security. The borders around the screens of these phones seem a bit smaller than before. They both are said to have a big 5,000 mAh battery and fast charging that can charge up to 25 watt. Are you excited for the Galaxy A55? That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.